In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best benchtop grinder, selected for their speed, solid construction, and dependable performance for DIY users and professionals alike in demanding daily applications at home. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT DW758 Benchtop Grinder. The DEWALT DW758 benchtop grinder is built for users who demand power, durability, and consistent performance in demanding workshop environments. Equipped with a strong 3/4 HP induction motor, this grinder easily handles heavy-duty industrial grinding tasks, making it suitable for metalworkers, mechanics, and serious DIY enthusiasts. The motor runs at a high speed of 3,600 RPM, allowing fast and efficient material removal without struggling under load. One of its standout features is the rugged cast iron base and motor housing, which significantly reduces vibration and adds long-term durability, even during extended use. Precision-machined aluminum tool rests help users maintain accurate angles while grinding, which is essential for sharpening tools or shaping metal components. The generous 12.5-inch distance between the wheels allows for working with larger or longer materials more comfortably. Rear exhaust ports in the wheel guards improve airflow, contributing to smoother operation and better debris control. Number 2. BUCKTOOL 8-inch benchtop grinder. The BUCKTOOL 8-inch benchtop grinder is a versatile and thoughtfully designed machine that caters well to both sharpening and grinding needs. Its half-HP dual-speed induction motor provides steady torque at both low and high speeds, giving users flexibility depending on the task. The slow speed is particularly useful for sharpening woodworking tools without overheating, while the high speed allows for quick and efficient metal removal. The inclusion of 80 grit and 120 grit white aluminum oxide wheels is a major advantage, as these wheels reduce heat buildup and help protect tool edges. The independently adjustable cast aluminum tool rests make it easy to maintain precise angles and compensate for wheel wear over time. Stability is another strong point, thanks to the sturdy cast iron base with mounting holes that prevent wobbling during operation. An added bonus is the included buffing wheel, which expands the grinder's functionality to polishing and finishing tasks. Overall, the BUCKTOOL bench grinder offers excellent value, combining flexibility, safety, and smooth performance in a compact and well-built package suitable for home workshops and small professional setups. Number 3. RIKON Rubber Benchtop Grinder. The RIKON Rubber Benchtop Grinder is an excellent choice for users who prioritize precision, safety, and low-speed grinding performance. Designed with a powerful yet controlled 1/2 HP motor running at 1750 RPM, this slow-speed grinder is ideal for sharpening hand tools while minimizing heat buildup. It comes equipped with high-quality 60 grit and 120 grit white aluminum oxide wheels, making it suitable for both shaping and fine sharpening tasks. The cast iron base, combined with anti-vibration rubber feet, ensures exceptional stability and smooth operation, reducing user fatigue and improving accuracy. Safety is clearly emphasized, with adjustable eye shields and spark resistors that provide reliable protection during use. A built-in groove for sharpening drill bits adds to its versatility, making it a practical option for woodworkers, carvers, and craftsmen. The included diamond wheel sharpener further enhances its sharpening capabilities by keeping tools cool and sharp for longer periods. Overall, the RIKON Rubber Benchtop Grinder stands out as a well-engineered, user-friendly machine that delivers controlled power and precision. Number 4. SKIL 8-inch Benchtop Grinder. The SKIL 8-inch benchtop grinder is a user-friendly and feature-rich option designed to make grinding tasks safer and more convenient. Powered by a reliable 3.0 amp motor, it delivers consistent speed for smooth and steady grinding across a variety of materials. One of its most notable features is the built-in LED work light positioned over both wheels, ensuring excellent visibility and precision, even in low-light workshop conditions. The magnified eye shields add an extra layer of safety by improving visibility while protecting the user from sparks and debris. SKIL also includes a built-in water cooling tray, which is extremely useful for preventing overheating during extended grinding sessions. The grinder comes with both medium and coarse wheels, allowing it to handle different material removal needs effectively. Adjustable V-grooved tool rests help users maintain accurate angles, which is essential for sharpening tools and shaping metal. With a pre-drilled base for easy mounting on a bench or stand, this grinder offers stability and convenience. Overall, the SKIL 8-inch benchtop grinder is a well-balanced choice for DIYers and home workshop users seeking safety, visibility, and dependable performance.
Number 5. WEN BG4282 Benchtop Grinder. The WEN BG4282 Benchtop Grinder is a practical and efficient tool designed for everyday sharpening and grinding tasks. Its 4.8 amp motor delivers strong performance, spinning the 8x1-inch grinding wheels at speeds of up to 3,450 RPM, which is ideal for quick material removal. This makes it well suited for reviving dull tools, knives, drill bits, and other workshop essentials. The grinder features adjustable eye guards with built-in LED lights, providing improved visibility and enhanced safety during operation. One of its most useful additions is the onboard quenching tray, which allows users to cool down workpieces during long grinding sessions, helping prevent overheating and damage to tool edges. The overall design is compact yet sturdy, making it a good fit for smaller workshops or garages where space is limited. Easy adjustments and straightforward controls make the WEN BG4282 beginner-friendly, while still offering enough power for experienced users. In summary, this bench grinder offers excellent value for money, combining speed, safety features, and practical design, making it a dependable choice for home users and hobbyists. And that wraps up the top 5 best benchtop grinder. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.